Hey guys, welcome back to LinkedIn Success. Welcome back to the program and the course. We're moving on to hack number 6, how you can leverage other people's content. Now, writing articles, writing content, it takes time. It is a bit of a hassle. I know there's a lot of people out there who don't particularly enjoy writing the content, and I can certainly sympathize with that. But I wanted to point to some resources that can sort of cut down your production of content, but at the same time still position you as an authority, somebody who knows what they're talking about, and also make use of all of that content that you share, right? Because a lot of the stuff that you share goes to other people. It goes to their websites, their blog posts, their lead magnets. So what you want to do is, just sort of leverage their content to also make your leads and your customers aware of your own things as well. So Sniply and LeadGrab are two resources that you can use to cut down on the time it takes to produce content. I would actually suggest Sniply, so it's snip.ly, and I'm just going to go there right now to give you an idea of what that looks like. So the basic idea behind Sniply is you can add a call to action to every single link that you share, and you can see 100,000 marketers are already using this. It's basically utilizing content curation, but being smart about it. So for example, you'd share an article from the Washington Post, CNN, or the BBC, and here in the bottom left-hand corner, you can add in a little call to action link, either a button or a URL or whatever, wherever you want to point your reader to, and it will show up in the bottom left-hand corner. So you can sort of overlay your links on these other links that you share. So let's see if we can see an example. Yeah, so this is kind of a visual right here. So if you shared an article from the BBC, you could, at the bottom left-hand corner, have a little call to action that moves in from the left-hand side with your brand, and it can say, come visit our website, click here to learn more, and it would lead to your blog post, your website, your PDF, your lead guide, what have you. So you can share your links and drive conversions. So they have a little demo here, so you can kind of try them out. Let's see how that works. So this seems like they're leading us to an entrepreneur.com article. Yeah, so this is kind of an example here, right? So this is an article from entrepreneur.com. Add these 12 content marketing tools to your startup's arsenal. But as I scroll down the page, you can see in the bottom left-hand corner here that this is still sort of following us as we scroll down the page. You can see it's a link from Sniply. This is a sample message, and here's a button. It looks like it goes to a link. It looks like it goes back to Sniply. But you get the basic idea. That's sort of the idea. So if I were to share this article on LinkedIn, anybody who's interested in content marketing tools, once they click on that link and start reading this article, they can see in the bottom left-hand corner my brand, my messaging, my link, which can certainly drive a lot more traffic to your website and to your links. So I highly suggest using this. One of the beautiful things about this, actually, if I just go back, I'm not sure if it mentions it, but I believe you can actually drop in your Facebook pixel code. So on every link that I share, I can actually drop in the Facebook pixel code, and you guys can actually let me know if you want me to do a separate course on this. But essentially what that does is it tracks the visitors to each link that you share with that pixel loaded on, and you can retarget those people with Facebook ads that are a lot more targeted, but also a lot cheaper. So, we're talking, if you were to run a campaign normally for $120, you could literally get the same amount of people seeing your ads for 20 bucks if they're retargeting ads. And that's essentially because they're showing your ads to people who have already seen your stuff, but not necessarily clicked on the link or not followed through. You can kind of retarget them, show them your stuff again. It's the same thing that movies do with their trailers. You can see, they're constantly promoting their stuff, constantly showing you their trailers, and after a while you decide, okay, I'll go and see the movie. It's the same basic idea in marketing. So this is a great way to do it. Again, this is another link that I'll share with you, and I wanted to give you guys this resource to add another tool in your LinkedIn marketing toolkit. Okay, hope you guys enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next course.